Because people live there. That's why the problem is what you
Yeah.
have in Israel right now, because you came there. With the Palestinian was already there. It's the same thing we did here in America. Came over here and killed all of the Indians,
Yeah.
took these people thing, pushed them
Yep.
out. This is what
Yep.
you European people do. And you would
Netanyahu
have to have,
feels that he can colonize the Middle East. He
yes.
is ready to take over the Middle East, and he's
And I
using
don't
the
think it has
might of the
anything to do
United
with
States to
you.
do it.
These are
And
white Europeans.
he waited and waited until we put an idiot in the White House,
Yes.
and he's getting everything that he wants,
I don't
perhaps.
think it's
But
going to work.
here's what
I
I
don't think it's
love.
going to work. I don't think
I
it's
know
going to work.
here's what I love. So Iran responds, and they launch hundreds of drones. Now, these drones, I understand, cost around $50,000 each.
Mhm.
50,000, yeah, $50,000 each, and they've stockpiled them. They just